Robin K. Lane, as she is known on Instagram, is a dental hygienist. Dental hygienists are responsible for providing oral care to patients through examination, teeth cleaning, and other preventative dental services. Summer Wells can be seen in numerous videos hugging and holding on to Robin at church services. Summer has some severe decay in her front teeth. We cannot be completely sure of when the decay started and how fast it progressed, but there is decay. It is said, the Candus and Don do not have health insurance for their kids, but Summer did see a dentist or hygienist. There is a picture of her sitting on a dental chair. I am not sure if Robin was the one to help Summer with her teeth, but I do know that Robin helped Candus with her teeth. Candus said so herself. Substance abuse causes significant damage on the soft tissue in the mouth. This can result in a really painful mouth. Candus had a swollen face recently, and Robin tried getting donations to help her. Now, my question is, did Robin really not notice anything? The severely decayed teeth of Candus, or the front tooth decay in Summer? Did she just turn a blind eye to it all?